Pag sinabi ba na 4M yung property, kailangan 4M din yung reservation mo? Actually guys, not really. You're a first-time home buyer, I'm gonna discuss to you yung mga terms sa property buying in a layman's term para mas maintindihan nyo. So, mas pasisimplihin natin. So, for the computation, usually, ang tinitignan nyo dyan is yung total contract price, yung monthly down payment, tapos yung reservation. So, dito muna tayo sa tatlo mag-focus. Yung total contract price, yan yung total na babayaran mo sa property. So, kasama na dyan yung mga other charges, yung VAT if batable yung property, tapos naman yung reservation fee, yun yung earnest deposit mo. So, yung reservation fee, yun yung upfront na binabayad mo to signify yung interest mo dun sa property. For the monthly down payment naman, ito yung binabayaran mo after your reservation. Usually, monthly installment yan to build your equity. Sagutin ko lang yung question, 4M din po ba yung reservation? Actually, hindi po. So, for our nature project, si Bloom, it's 30K yung reservation fee niya. And then, yung first monthly DP mo, typically magpo-fall siya after 30 to 90 days upon reservation. If SMDC Heights naman, yung mga high-rise projects natin, yun naman yung 50K na RF. And then for our eco projects, for example, Symphony, 20K yung reservation. For the complete computation, you may send us a direct message through Viber or WhatsApp, 0926-8020755. We can also send you a formal copy to your email, so just message us guys.